Hello, welcome to our HiCAD short clip for Service Pack 1. The subject of this tutorial video is the planning of pipelines. I activate a pipeline and take a look at the linked documents. Here, these are associated isometry and the pipe spool drawing. The first new feature refers to the isometry. In Service Pack 1, we have significantly improved the division of existing isometries, graphical plugins. In other words, division points are now available, which can either be selected or deselected. The isometry created in this way will be spread across two additional isometry sheets. These can, of course, also be linked to the document. The second new feature in Service Pack 1 consists in the improved automatic placing of flanges on pipelines. In the past, these flanges could only be placed together with a pipeline. Now you can also slip loose flanges onto pipeline ends. For this, the settings have been changed accordingly. I deactivate the Work with Guideline option via the pipe class function. I select the corresponding flange. The new connection type is now 20100, and I place this flange onto the target connection of the pipe. In this way, your pipeline can now be conveniently equipped with flanges. The third new feature concerns the isometry again. I activate a diagonal pipeline and create its isometry. This isometry contains raised triangles, the representation of which often made the isometry rather confusing in the past. In Service Pack 1, these raised triangles are configurable in the Automatic Dimension tab of the Isometry Setting dialog. You can define the type of the hatching here, the triangle length. This option provides a much clearer display of the isometry. With each service pack, more and more settings are moved to the configuration editor. Of course, this also applies to plant engineering. So, if we go to the settings for isometries and pipeline spool drawings, we can now specify that the last in a series of isometries is to remain open. This prevents an unwanted permanent switching back to the 3D layout plan. Finally, one important note on 3D parts: please remember to enter the supplied new variants into the Helios database after an update. As an example, I choose the SME flanges here as a list and enter them in one step into the database. If you want, you can also take a look at the other short clips about the new features in the new version. Thanks for your attention. I hope to see you again next time.